Yeah, and if you want to be a cover of from GSG TV, ha Nsemsem Dwumadze so me din e de nana amaboedua. Ma fe opa yi na me de Yankopon se me sanso ababeto, o ma babeto biem se ohun ye. Ana pensem a etwegu e wo man ni mu ene titire sekendi takrade e na ye de e ba besum we. Ene ti me pese obenya brese na bibia wo ye no na wo di atwen na yakasa. Ahubambofo me security analyst for bi mo omo Ghana ha se na COVID-19 mu no wo ma kire wo madwen e de afa ho e fa ne se ye kana ahubambo ho sem pa wo COVID-19 fight mu a wo ma kire wo madwen e de afa ho eno ntini ye be kɔ ne ani mpanifo akodi nkomo ye free ane so ene de wo kɔ Elembele district a MP for Elembele Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua eni ni mpanifo e na omaka bomu aye initiative kese bi e ba beboa na ye dia fight COVID-19 no se na bebe betumi akosoro but before that so no mayenko na ye security analyst Adam Bona enchuchu nkomo na ye mbisa no senia osi ehu ahombanbɔ hu sem efa in this COVID-19 fight enti Adam Bona wotemi nkam abasonko de by GSG TV. Oh, yes, so yeah, papa. And a baby aboko dear. Ye de Yankopon ase. Ye bisao COVID-19 ye ni tire. Se mebra no mampani aka e de afa ho. Ana no wo de betu dwa se well frontliners for crown potitire e na ode enema bi hye wo mu nsa se wo mu hwe no mu nyina mo ye nyina tumi fight COVID-19. Oba be security analyst from the genesis of this COVID-19. And how do you see it?
Well, they made me a cancer. With regards to mobilization of the security personnel and resources, both human and material, to take care of the cancer COVID-19 from the beginning of it. Made me a cancer partially. It has been successful.
Okay.
And then the other way around, we could say we could have done better. It has been successful because it was better than nothing. You can say communities, I can say, your man penny allocate down partially. Accra, Tema, Kaswa, any Kumasi and Peswasri. There were roadblocks and road checks to ensure that only essential service worker UPL Mesa or Sessan Kufi. But let me say, baby, Uncle Ye and Kamenkwa community patrols. Community patrols, no, and Osha Ebia, Mantem among the Timamofon, Yachitiano, Momosha and Bambumans and some Nomun Shedda, anyhow. We, myself, and the team from the Institute of Security Safety Policy Research, visited almost about 170 communities during the lockdown, during a Facebook live broadcast, which is on my Adam Bona Facebook page. If you go there, you will see all the communities, including Choco, Usu, Teshi. We went all the way to Tema, Community 1, Community 2, Ashama, and all these communities. But just like I said, during the lockdown, social distancing was not something that happened. During the lockdown, communities and KSPTCBA who cry the most vulnerable with regards to the densely populated areas. No baby, Dudroma, Etre, Sebi, baby Omodani, baby Omotiano, and Sheda, and so any no Ukraina, and the lockdown. One Sheda in this way, and so a real treno, coming Quadia, Nka say, and around that time, the executive or the security, can say, the security, those in charge of your security, community patrols, and then also information into the communities. NCC Information Service Department, like I said, make sure them who on the vans, mantem, broadcast it, you can say recorded messages, blaring it out to communities. Say the reasons why these are things that can be, but unfortunately, let me say no answer dan ko yi
NCC for mo de betu dwa say omo van na omo betumi e wo hono ma na say e available omo betumi e de aye education no e too pe enti no it wasn't enough so now they were expecting president in penny for sanka one be boy with more vans especially at the regions near the so na district assemblies municipal assemblies ni so betumi enya yakonya tumi de aye nchechire no.
Well, that's correct because we NCC nanka ye kind of civic education ne omo anka so mo chire ye civic ye intimamofo no ne fata say ye ene de emfata say ye so obeye omamba pa you know nyoma ese wo ye no omo enanka emra no ye can say show mo saso omo nya but we hwemu a in this you can say discussion and I said the question omo sheda ye sheda hu omo na Madam Josephine the NCC director no ade abetro abontin say omo akade anke so omo de ko omo de aduma no eni ho enti some of us are raising say kebeboa senko man no ebeboa nanka sankofo we ebema ebia district bi anase constituency bi anase community bi anka ombenya you can say public address system is sika so na market days omunam krom omu yedede omu boy enkai so yenhwe na yare we dey yade a social distancing show face mask run san na use hand sanitizers na dey enhwe den ni ho na ohwe bambofo ya uba and crying part of Accra. Some of them it's come out that some of them cry enya. You can say COVID-19 be some of them we are told that some of them have gotten tested positive. I think so the recent operations for lockdown IGP Sahenia or that police for any I say 10,000 police officers are taking part in the operations no enkusi eda ebe test mu nyina ye test na say yare no nubia ansabia wasan start police wa koswa ye adwuma ye say wo ye so we nyina eyade a ohwemu a bambo mu no ebema ye bambo mu nsensem no anhwe ya na anko ye because Ghana police for nyina ode ohwe omododo a omo ye be 35,000 na say 10,000 film even for one day now one say yambambo mu nsensem so police for and a dining with regards to internal security there now you say it will definitely a beto chim kakra in terms of the metumi aka wo ho no
okay enrada president be kasaye na che say COVID-19 no wo hwe Ghana ye case ye ko animu anene sa and even when our lifted ban on the lockdown no kra partial lockdown no kra no na number na rise across do you think says I'm moving na president take here no a good move and I say like was it a hasty move na ni kwan aso ano no
well bisami America say nke so nya butre kakra because the timer or lucky part of Ghana down we na number near be 100 and something but by the time mobile so the left no na number no more than 10 times was there and no the say and can see nya butre na yenya facts ni na together before the lockdown will be effective but we feel more when this one untumi fault your man penny too much because you gonna no munya aduane ni obi a mason obi a carpenter obi a plumber obi ton ade obi die ne shop ya tutum and so within the 3 weeks no na do na start this rest aduane and so nka e course wa anhwe yi na ya omanpanyin ne omomo de nachi amfa ama aduane anko into those communities anhwe ya na nka de how do na how the bebre oman nyina because anhwe ya na de you can send demonstrations and the and nka so you should have waited but and also no in waiting no let me say anhwe so then it would have brought certain things that would have been untoward. Yeah, now Gary and turn about 8 Ghana cities per Olonkano. Gary Koya could do 35 Ghana, no water. And see, when you know, Emma, you can't say, Ediaka, lockdown no one when you free hot na so ka say en continue here anka de beba na nya but me we nyina mu no am say no ampanyi ono na odi anim so ono na say ekoyi a ye be bo age ne so say ankoyi so a ye de so bo ni nyina be bo no so for me we can continue to advise and continue to put things the way it should be, spoken about. But they say, "Yenti memofone ese ehwe husu ye na ya nkwanko fire rebi ama baby ayete ana say am free efie anko amfanko kom so they make me akano."
Answer meja wo ne ma wakọ no places omudi egu for quarantine no. So over Western region has say last week quarry site bi ananka ewa ha say no obi a no wo ye adwuma wo hono wo free China ba ye quarters na che say wenya bia no ntia ma West region recorded one case no omo quarantine wo mu sesi an kire ye se bebi omo da no enya kra say entina no so what would you speak on that no eba no ye quarantine places na government eputi say your name crofo ne beko wa no so what would you speak on it?
Well, the American say sayare we adia wo hwe amai nyina is the time amai nyina eputu on the best foot forward.
Okay.
The reason is that ya nhwe yi na say dey I haven't got that report, but if it is true,
Western region Western region no crepa.
Okay. Every region na obi o wa na quarantine na wadwane afi baby a we dey ama no say can say mandatory quarantine baby as what na wadwane afi ho na odinam krom. Odinam krom a ye nyina ye nim. So say yare we yare a baby a ye ho me fa no ho na attack and the issue of the sayare we no so ensure that in be infidie ni be and to the best necessary prevention preventive can you say cure and I say preventive action should be put in place so they if these people are taken care of properly no baby amodano kama baby ani omudi kama and no so be cry aribia no be hala me say obeko akwa de no akwa chere se be aribi but ekoba no say obi aribi na baby ade ne be akwa to na aduane obi di na de ekeka ho no enkuyi a obi aribi a omfa no ho nkokyere and so I say it's good those things have come up you know you can be they are here now baby a kwaya so oman no edis ankofo we efa so na aboa yina no oman ne do mo afa so de metumi aka no
okay nti sorry so no aposifo de omo appeal bi abeto wonum sanka omampani hwe na de nka wearing of nose mask no enka won force some restrictions be on it sene abeye wo bia betumi ahye nose mask no na afi so ye quarantine pon ade atete apansan no so anka omampani ehwe no wonya ne because se wo do some of the toll booth na ebi wo hon ma kwan ne nya nti wo bobo photos musa nipa no bedo na ne tie ne ya ne temperature akosoro na no ye say or suspect and also no would you know who saying
me say for the last maybe 100 years you ensure that be say that and tell me say see to me share bibi every mo de bia de be chi bia de san ni osua bibi say de be ya koye nim no say de anko yi na no otuna na de ya de fata say de be ya ade be chi no na ya ne kama and so I may say yes we issues are I believe that we are going to be raising them at the national level hoping that somebody will pay attention to them and ensure that these things are done well. But with regards to nose masks, yes, they should make it compulsory. But the attorney say, "Obi a pendi, among for them come no motor nose masks be. You show them who they are papa, any they are papa. We share encourage be any study. More mutunto be where you be crying no. On share that no one as on share them yare. Atade or share angasa ifi.
And to man they are by kwampo yensi. Yes, share na no ase yes ne sa yensi.
And so now sano say food and drugs authorities so more certified nose mask yes after so you na you say they you can say entire group na yes no chemicals so we kwa share sa nose mask yeah we for me afem na chemicals you can send paint and now say dye atade no na show hene e be reaction no when we nya lung cancer na wanya yare dia ka enya se wunya no na wa akọfa ama ho everybody so say me yeah some of us yeah can say yes if there's going to be a compulsory use of nose masks let's ensure that there are proper standardization of nose masks you can say design but so be a to material be a no total and die be a to kente be a to say be a ensure the chemical component that form you can say material you dey palm nose mask but no understand man for share about the side be reaction na nya whom you can say breathing disorders that whom be a free COVID-19 those who are you can say when you can say breathing disorder wouldn't be a free so I think these are concerns that needs to be addressed if there has to be a compulsory use of you can say nose masks.
All right, thank you, Mr. Adam Bona. Yeah, sibe say you know your friend no je opinion ni etwetwe nkomo. You be san ba onchen repem.
Thank you. Right.
All right. Enti ebusia security analyst. Ene ne etwetwe nkomo a nyina yete ye no wo chekere ni nsemu wo de kire ye say with regards to the partial lockdown or the ban lifted on it no ne for baby no obeka say aban aye ne yie. Ne for baby so obeka say nka ba say nkwatwentwen ne na se na so ya why ni nyina mu no it's because you experience a pandemic of such intino I was say ye nhwe na ye nyina ni nyina mu ye ni aban enya adwen na de ai no na yetumi de akire say was say ye dey advice bi so ni ma aban so a na no in a nice way na ye de ama aban na ye etumi aboa fight COVID-19 no afi so no wo ka say enka education on the COVID-19 no sanka aban providing more buses at the NCCs no at the various districts and municipal assemblies na nka bebo in the various regions na nka bebo na nka ye nyina etumi ada ye huso ye di enchise omudi amaye efa COVID-19 esu eye ankasa and was sign say with the wearing of the nose masks nanka ahobanbo for binom say enka ye nhye ne mo no nka ban for restrictions and asem for we want to na ka yentumi hye ne mo no so no wo betutu ase that a very laudable concern police personnel no may raise na mom yen kan hu say material na ye de kopam nose mask na kasa no some of them contain chemicals but it's not good for our health say ye be breathe because ye sha ye breathe ye coffee ni ade nyina entine eno so nka FDA hwehwe mu yie se ne omo nkasa so age atomu se nose mask no okay se ye nyina ye betumi ahye no mu hwe mu yie no mo fa the best materials and fan brand entumi fan pam nose mask na ye hye na nyina entumi embo ye ho ban ma me gina we so na me ntwa me ho sima me ba ye beto phone calls ni so
welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana jumeza yedin we ye mpoboa mpoboa so to desert lufes lipes na de say pem works na da eboyi manre yo into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook am product ya ebun pem location so am we agree me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Well, ebusia mama na wase na me say ma wakọ abasunku bie me sign fan brand Nsemsem Dwumadze so on IDSGA TV. Mama kan che o say ensem anape ya twetwe ye hwe enema hodoro ampenifo de egu akwemu no de ampenifo edwen efa ho unemployed nurses so raise concern bia no so ye pese ye nhwe but enu ada wo mampeni address we de ba ye mini we yina ehu ni say why was we obe create 88 day hospital at the various districts obe create and here besides unemployed nurses wo so no meka ho ana so mo so madwen kire wo ho ni de wo because o mampeni dada John Dramani apenso no unemployed on the nurses side na wo soro yie and afi so wo mampeni a wote akonwa so his excellency na Akufo-Addo ono so na penso so no unemployed nurses na so rate ni wo soro yie ankasa ma me kwai na me ne organizer the coalition of unemployed nurses na ntwetwe nkomo ne yebisa ne se wo mu asempa wo mu de to je no nti no omo ma eyi semtwo omo person semtwo fo bo omo no omo ka omo asem no eno ne senti me wo eyi mbacho utimi nka mame mo akwa basunku
yo me do so me tietie fo ina
eyi we ya hwefo ye station e so panti we na ya hwefo ai
wa hwefo ina
aha nyami sho bebe be say ye tun safra o no waje pini a woni ye etwetwe nkoma me bi sa o coalition of unemployed nurses masempa ne saying
the coalition of unemployed nurses
aha masempa ne saying aha
nurse for o ye school a yetifia enya djuma aban fa ya djuma say me ya djuma say we consist of 2017 diploma nurses 2017 degree NAC and NAP batch of nurses and 2018 batch of nurses 2019 batch of nurses I na yetifia na say na you visited ministries and you saw say there will be clearance by the 31st of March, on back and every system.
Okay.
About the 31st in your train home by the 31st of March, and I say clearance will be ready. Only to hear on the 23rd of March, the clearance no are ready for diploma and degree batch of 2017 nurses. Now, remaining the 2017 batch of NAC and NAP INS assistant programs no almost scientific yes no because the 2017 batch of nurses NAC and NAP no they do not undergo any national service you know most of the times there be a more class no ever first before that of the diploma and then the degree I didn't say class the kind by 2017 batch of NAC and NAP no class name MI Indian it was a more at the core ministries I on the 23rd of April inquiries as to when the grants for the 2017 NAC and NAP and the remaining 2018 nurses no grants no ever ready. Together at the meeting was GRNMA President, Mrs. Perpetua Fourier Ampofu, and graduate unemployed nurses and midwives President, Subi Abdul Rafik. The committee as and Mama Yeti say our grants will be released by the end of the year, but as to when the grants will be released, no there or money. Sake of coronavirus pandemic.
Okay. Matthias, NTC and one sample say, Edena 2016 for number on for 2017 for yes, sir.
I didn't 2017 NAC and NAP. Under mandatory national service. No, I didn't say year recruit first. Friends say, 2017 batch of necessary. Diploma and degree now or more quiet national service. Let's just say 2017 NAC and NAP no or what na fee than 2017 diploma and degree nurses for no. And they should have been cleared earlier before the 17 diploma and degree nurses.
Ebia na wo mo he diploma ni degree for na ebia na mo de na wo soro. Enti wo mo he wo mo ansa. Mo ba be hwe mo nyesa mo hu ne sa.
We were all promised that by the deadline 31st of March, the grants will be released for all. And then even Omoma assurance said the 2017 NAC and NAP, because they did not go under any mandatory service, no, their financial grants have already been requested earlier, and then hope that theirs will be released as early as possible so that they will be recruited.
Oh, okay.
One was later on before one was 2017 diploma and degree now or more grants no a delay no or more issue a letter and for demanding for grants no mum the kind back before that of 17 nurse assistant group now or more the kind requested for grants.
Oh, okay. A president as some of that kind of tie president address in and wait concern the front liners in wait
Me pa chai.
To what I say president here momoa.
Me pa chai.
Exit and also an amount better went to a home.
Me pa cho em say yate nsem we na but once so far as 2017 knock and nap for no grants knock and nap for grants enya ready no just the government is still not ready to employ the knock and nap nurses.
Okay, eno that omampeni mayati ase say COVID-19 fight enunti no oba be see 88 hospitals in all the regions na ye wono district na de na ye wono ento no no munya butreye mu na muntwen se omampeni de we ni ba betumi aboa maso matene ana se we na matene na mo be na metu de afa ho so in case se nyankopon ya do no omampeni edi ne boshe we so a musu metumi nya mo chefa ewo.
But already we are not few for about 3 years now. For about 3 years now, we have also become a burden on the family as well.
Sure.
Yet no few until say the 88 district hospitals no are ready. Just our families will also be in.
You better wait if you own. You better wait if you. Yeah, mama, Johnny be. Sir. All right. It's a member cell. Say, omampeni. The frontliners, mumpo the nurses, the doctors, put the osimoso pai. Coalition of Unemployed Nurses Association. Adentina, mu sa association won't come home mum. Namu for me team be namu embarking on education on the coronavirus. No, don't you think, sir? I bet to me raise some sort of income kakra dia mamwa. Some cats will be sana. When the ministry so muso mo tifie na ye nya mfa mo no mo pese mo mboa with the education nti no mo ye so masene na muso mutumi enko rounds enko chekere senia ye betumi afa so apo ye hu ban in this COVID-19.
As a matter of fact, if we are fighting for grants, now we are fighting for permanent employment. And then coronavirus, we are pandemic now, we are all hope is between Akanasi and Asi, between Tunasi, Crown. And I just say, once you are engaging into such a short period, if say coronavirus, no, from Anasibia, we are able to clear it out from the system. And I just say, also our feet, how will you manage to live again? You know, we are embarking on a permanent employment and not temporary employment. Metimasi, and yes, say no go school now about fee. But the American say, and can't moon take chances on this pandemic, no. Nanka moon to Tunsira Ministry of Health. Say, Nka one Nanka moon to me embarking on education because moon already Nanka say you are into health. Until me to me abua on the education on the coronavirus precaution measures, no. Nanka musume to me afa ni sa miss no e dia anya bi kakra e dia so masene meti wase na me so me che say you go for this campaigning work no you know a very short time which is if after the coronavirus pandemic no let's say we are coming back home
and there's a pandemic in Syria and a mukusu also a bomb mukoko enteno betumi aba say e be a pandemic no nanka muso sumejuma aye secured enteno no dey 50-50. What if say if we engage into such by the end of the coronavirus na still na ye share the enemy fit na and make us say 50-50 but you see na mutifie ena me kire se mudwin bibi sa ho ananka beboa mu na musumanya income kakra. Our aim is to fight for permanent employment for all. Okay, all right. And you know, mene George Eduku Esua one way organizer at the Coalition of Unemployed Nurses. And you know, George sisi and way forward and dey pan move here because corona and free Ghana. Ya bon pa say be free Ghana but in free Ghana it is a dem pan na mo be last week 23rd of April they engaged the ministries
and more MIT said they are also in line with finance ministry say raise grants for the 2017 2017 batch of nurses no. You know almost they will try and then give us any weekly update as to how first your grants no maybe could do so far about the class. You know, there's also someone who said finance ministry and then the health ministry together with GRMA president. Only now,
okay, all right. And George, my now was here. Say only at you, but don't hesitate to call me. Say if any update be ever up. Why? Since I hope you for the best. And the best in the bar. And you try on answer over me. Why?
You medasi.
Medasi, papa. And the Busia, unemployed nurses for almost so actually were margin at the affair, you were moving now, Motino winning you. But you see, on coronavirus, a brave woman here, a year and cassa, and now Mampenia, some man no workano. My dream when, but me name say be also on your Mampenia dream air back, dear. With the issue of 88 hospitals, a very good obesity because you see an enema any kakra. But in this short period, then the year say to some pass a bit to me about so sana and no I didn't telephone who say I think so and a pay menyanity say a park grant road on my year. And we are driving now when I'm so who say send no messi no okay and I say baby for on penny for young kebe to me abua. Mami can't say omampenia my say 100,000 testing and on my year and no ama carry out and to the end na butre na mom pa say baby abe to me akoso e dia maye. But quickly me no be call elembele na e honom se kwakwadi enkomo briefly e wo honom afa Thursday no na wo mu esi food bank womu launching one food bank I womu de beboa a fight COVID-19 no ye ne father wonu na wo gine mu tintima e de ma food bank no wo he se bibia betumi akoso ye na e de ama ye nyina aboa fight COVID-19 no enti Reverend Father Castro ade bia na pay ye ma wakwa basonko wo na wo ye parish priest e de ma the Anglican Church e we nyina se Anapima mwakwa basunku biem.
Hello.
Me pacho mwakwa basunku.
Yeah.
We your father na me church member to the member.
All right.
Okay. Ya wada no. Ya wada besinku na empenifo ede food bank ede buy. Me say food bank ne pa no ye dey. Na the rationale behind it no so no any saying.
Yo, where what's the main that I saw by Medasi? My main fan, Akonya, so now, Nsemsem and Miss Opopong, Right Reverend Alexander of Asmas, Anglican Bishop of Secondary Diocese, on the Hawker for Mother Superior Mori. Yechia, was your phone now and opinion so. Food bank, food bank. Yes, Abako Selman. UN my statistics we say almost 821 million people are going hungry. Out of it, 150 million Internet we are seeing a comedy ni papa. The DBA you will be a country be a come a day and for pa. Now what the bar Ghana well known for its democratic governance and its stability your population XSA we are almost closer to 31 million. And out of it, 6.1% of the total population of Ghana are going hungry. And see, almost closer to 2 million Ghanaians are going hungry or what we call food instability. And see, now I cover and say you benya obi mane dienim na ya boa say you be to a come free we are semo. In Russia, there have been so many interventions. Your Ghana Go Hungry program, or your school feeding program, or your Nkoma time, so or the Boys and Girls Brigade just to alleviate poverty and hunger. Your interventions be operation feed yourself. Any interventions are yin ya and I say previous government almost they eliminating hunger. Internet say a common idea into food bank basically who desire aswaya nyankopon nam honorable Yimana Amakofi Buaso MP or Elembere say omwa na yenjeji ediane emfri ankranko ejumakuo nson sorry na yembua no na yenche ema omo a accommodate omo ewo Elembere nyina.
Well, me no Elembele nyina na je say enye eyi aged no mo wo aya community na bacha Elembele nyina.
Me facha enye specifically aged in aya community. The food bank is going to be used to feed the hungry in Elembele, and it is irrespective of your political affiliation.
Okay.
Stakeholders are your ahemfo, your asofo your media forum, your bankers room, your assembly from the local government administration, your omunyina woman. You be feeding Elembele fua, omo ekom edi omo. Now those that are suffering from what we call food instability.
Well, COVID-19 fighting. Omampeni ensem kemu no wan sheda anka amfa himfoni ade na ansheda amfa anka wensi sudia. Mama mbisa sisi na mo involve ahimfoni ade no. Mo de adwane be ma ahimfo no ma che e de mo community na say in the delivering of food no say na mesi aye no food sharing say na mesi aye no.
Me da say you criteria ye de be feed omo accommodate omo no. Me say omo show no say this program is not to promote laziness as well. One would say everywhere a branch no one the obetimi ayejuma because of food banking in no say on compare juma here. Them obe rely on the food bank. Them ye share mobronhu for really they are in need. In fact, we have prioritized our priorities. Sana focus on Yabekano. Ya set the standard no right. Into ya bomodin say obia no kremu one accommodate no. Sound conform na yabema omwe ediane edi.
And so when the baba that one no mafi ball, so corona ni free so one free so beda one no mafi ball.
Me pache food bank for Elembele and Elembele food bank. A program eba betina aho afebo.
Okay.
Yeah, share sustainability program numpa. Yeah, share say and so sorry ahora ewo Elembele na a Christian Council of Churches, local council of churches, Muslim association, traditional association, individuals called omuina ebebwa amaya sustain food bank. Inti idea ye be sustain na ya afebo.
Oh well, we unconfirm be ye aduane ni ade no so no wan for na ba be ye because in this pandemic na ye wo mu no enya mani enyan kakra enti no how are you ensuring say omo mba be ye aduane no omo health no is at good condition and enkonkofa problem bia enfamre ye
yo medasidium share management committee now, of which I am part of it now. You were a titune a kuku dam for our management committee anymore. You were district director of health, our Elembele, and the rep, our so, or no share nutrition, other food, and Yamanyama, I was say yes. Inti sa omo meye diane, omo me distributed diane no. They are going to take the precautionary measures no as set forth by the Ghana Health Service no. And our Ministry of Health, and they making sure say, in as much as we are trying to help feed the hungry, we will not transfer or transmit any disease to them.
Okay, and you know, a day no, much aduane say in a day.
For now, not yet. As at last Friday, your modern management, say man nipa 1,500 of which we were able to do it. In the subsequent ones, we are trying to say, bomodin say nipa do as much as they are hungry, we will feed them.
Very well. Reverend, where the meda was say, but yeah, sorry, so no, na, yeah, besides social distancing, idea be a COVID-19, yen should pay attention to it, and then the wearing of the nose mask, and don't you know, sharing of the food, you know, how are you going to ensure, say, this social distances, no, a bit very effective, and then the wearing of nose masks, and also very effective.
Okay, that's it. She said, "Yeah, can you in a situation on my woman in terms of COVID-19 pandemic? You know, you know, so you're more than as law-abiding citizens. You know, you're more than say precautionary measures are almost to 2 hours. You know, if it is super if you wish, even at our lunch, you know, you're my social distancing. You juma papa out of Sanipa 1,500. You know, Yama almost amba. We only invited 20. Out of them, now you did almost distribution. You vans, you were van house to house already. You didn't identify a binum almost here into your call almost here 1-on-1, whereby Nipa all distributing or say groups or say nose masks now or the crowded area.
Okay.
Area in numbers, video or mono. By removing from their various houses to feed them as it is.
All right. And you know, you better was say, Reverend Father Castro, dear Bia, one parish priest at the Anglican Church, and no way in a seer, and in to drink. Reverend, you better was say, but say, be being a young Friday, GTV, why near me take coverage in what? That's a papa. And you Mami twa me hu si mami ba mami kan jo say studio lines obetumi afre now so watch 540 0595971 frame na ye nyina ye twitwi enkomo pa grant kwan na yayo enti no adraba fo munam so yi trucks akesia muninam so takotel trucks no munam so yie na entutu ensan so ense ebia because kwante mpone no bebre na ho no mampani ahwe anim so obetumi aye ni nyina entimo yen fa so yie yen twiti ni yie na bibia entumi enye fine bebia wote na dia problem na ho no ma wo fu se wo mampani wo se otumi ba eba be ye de ma na se empanifo mo sekeni takrade ha se o metumi aba na ba ye de ama. And to know to me a frame now so the consents area about on 059597154 059597154. My mentor me who sima me ba e beto anko twetwe so.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze idin we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert loafers lepers na de. Say pem works na da eboyi manre into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan. For Facebook, I'm a product here. A boom, a permit location, so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80. With us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Eguswa edi enkomana so woni meguswa ye Nsemsem Dwumadze on Ideas GTV. Me catch us over Western region has said they're the only station that you can trust when it comes to information on COVID-19. Ideas GTV. So don't hesitate to tune in to join us on Facebook Live and on Twitter, on Instagram, and then on YouTube as well. Now let's keep interacting. Baby, one of us baby Koso and yeah, you would want Ideas GTV to come and then cover up her. But Madiana Frey studio line on 059597154 or you can as well as call my personal number on 0550510712 and then we'll keep talking. Pachomen from me and you break 10 o'clock. Why? Unless situation very yeah, will say to me. Yeah, be me no sana miserable Madiana say won't frame me and I do say you to me yada. Say nebe to me abo ear ho ban. My freeway so won't nyam frame me my uncle endpoint homeopathy clinic and then they know more free health screening on pregnant women be as a menses disorders be and I say prostate we bema who suffer from prostate cancer and I say prostate yaro ni nyina be who suffer from it oko endpoint anaje branch na no pay wo mo free screening enti no bomodian na to emika na ko wona so kohwe wapomudin huye na menya doctor Penny o wo endpoint Dr. Isaac Befi oponi wa homa ne so ye ne no ebetwetwe komo doctor memo akwa abasonko de ba Nsemsem Dwumadze so Nyankopon adaro ma yeda so tinkwam musumu de ne
nyame adaro ma na on
Empa ni yebo be mama because na mu ye kra no kra ye nsem bebre na so ye Nyankopon ndi se bibia enkonko ba echiwe ma ye mbisa o ka COVID-19 aba besu aye de nanka
serebe ya obi eba ha on se ibado to ho buruem no na ye se ye de chie gu akwemu a obi ba on be fa ya de bi enfri ha enko ti buruem a the first thing na te de make sure say opa no so she nose mask and our face mask and put the room. As a small face mask, now is a room, screen, here a bedding.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You'll out here and go by the cancer, a yellow face mask and our nose mask. I feel you over fine. Now, you want a disposable towel. Or the other powers that was sanitizer.
Disposable towel and I said tissue.
Sample over inside.
Me pacho towel and I say tissue. Because towel there, baby now fan to move. One the best one back. A tissue. Okay. Okay. And mami misa enka COVID-19 ya fighting naka ya genimsa ke maybe be on the COVID-19. And so why the screening on the pregnancy women, menstrual disorders, and then prostate.
One no, it's pregnancy. No, you want to be a bank for one I agree quite too much. Young far a year, genuine Masuda for example. I'm quite too much right. Lemon or 1040 on quite too much. The Indian new system not want to know. And you know, the reverse uncle from me now said that the movie. Who feel maybe on him, maybe an account to be an ayah, be any of the subject and could said a year, a banumbo, and not same because it's answered because coronavirus to do an I said, when you and back to walk how I worried of the so baby and the banum put that, than the money in any panopa, near Ramon, so they are. I am sharing a very grand fire from aside the before Antana coronavirus, my name was a member of the social how or Antana Johnson Abba, put the Johnson and Bumper, what was the Johnson watching one of Johnson and I have seen here. The country I want to say. I said, yeah, you don't be wolf, you know, I know say young animal among for free, Panam Emano. Man to go and your menstrual problem. I asked the ya, what we are Mutanama and make it about 1 or 1 woman, Sama. Any panels and Zambia, they just bring a bit to me about the Aman.
Oh, okay. Now we prostate and also need the I don't know dear 1 year.
You want the prostate, no, I will a demano, young Berman any baby a Johnson woman. That prostate in a film. Now I do a prostate in and I'm pressure by Johnson in Zoom. And I can't use Susano now. Your post school nothing, your Johnson. It makes Johnson Johnson really. Put a Johnson who sat Johnson, but that I'm prostate in a new so. And you know, go on Johnson a bar, what's a slow Johnson put into the back. One and one force about Johnson, Johnson. Now, how about one? Anna, any tensions on so be ever. Now, put the media in a don't be your process enlargement or your AD get inflammation to the type of crime upon one of the infection. It is a problem with TBI, and we have to be through on one. The better deal who said you would appear. Now, for your woman, pension could prove. Now, for your woman, cry in the Bamawa, the big me a son.
Okay, it's my say then no more screening in Papa saying.
Oh, and then if you have to go, but be a make sure that you be screened or be out of the two. And to the mamma, now I just get even more no bit to me, baby. Oh, be a bit to my practice once, my man, or tonight, I may call you over to me about.
better man. What the Oba, who could I JJ one and one mamma. Now, what you mean, I had to one. And don't you know, not yet any neck. My dear, the Flabber media, almost a dear, almost going to my pie, and Western everything had it. Opian to the woman. Oh, I'm a money there now, extended and tea. What you want banana to make the one come I see, now you mean, I find out about
because Nancy na me cinematographer we I said na or your complaints bisa e de channel na ma me bisa ne se na be obetumi we nya free screening on so betumi because o ya re wo mpa de ye tuaka sa na me PM so sa na wo so wote eni tina ma me bisa sa no
ugato now you mean na find out
tabs so ba no me na betumi aba me see on so ka ho na say no say na so no say atanu ntinu na ma like onya problem kakra
no ye ne card no for card ni for no
card ni say
e ba the card ni 40
anto be ya card na so who say o kan ya pa I said atwe no ho e say wonya kra ma no no I said atwe no e say wonya kra ma no no
I said the ya me ka say on the no okay, oh there a higher
crown with one church same. I don't know, and then we end the whole day. I question me admo watching no crowd baby to me aba. Okay. And then meda was in I said ni other reporters on me fa honum na o ma ye interviews kakra.
Now you mean go see the Muslim next month na go to maka. Yeah, the one ya pa so say
oh, okay, all right. Entini eda wase pa ya baba nso meka omwetiko na wo maba because I say we screen wo mo mame. Ne pa cho mate. Me pa. Entino ebusia endpoint na ye call ye ne se na we hunten meka efia se meka nkofo ho asema ya na fu se me boa hu se doctor na etumi a confirm me but mame nko Facebook na me read comment on Facebook na yenye fast yenye na yenso ebe no aye be ne no wa ya ade papa nyame sure bebre say wetumi atena for 1 hour na woni ID Juma. Nana Besa GH or say shouldn't wait till the confirmed case arise up. Coronavirus COVID-19 is real. Our president and Adodan Akufo-Addo needs to lock the whole of Ghana. Okay, so the number of confirmed cases here in Ghana is rising up, and we shouldn't wait till the confirmed cases reach 1,000 plus before we look sharp to make it too late. Our president is sure he can. Our president is doing his best, and he needs to make sure he calms those affected and then the lockdown country as well. This disease is a demonic disease and very dangerous. Ghanaians should make sure to stay safe. Hey, I know best we are prophecy and okay, but there's no problem. Say, okay, say, demonic. Ebi also wo there, and no. Sika woman, it is sika unti apo. Sika oyare we there. I am not getting it too. I'm not getting it at. I can't think far. Fante and then no, I said this ubeba. Common cameraman no say ubeba so ye betwen wa ya feel papa. Kokonsa I chogu e wo man mu nyina western region nyina no. One obetumi de amo. Eba na entertainment a wono e na obetumi e de ama. Kafui achu woni ye share live on Facebook on my timeline. Faustina Kopna, my sister, Boise, Michelle Sonkuchi, we sending in also for Mammy. Now, Owusu or Dami are joining live on Facebook. One year share Gabriel Fimpon, my producer, one also a share live, and then James Marvin Langford, one also 1 year share live on Facebook. And to over to me, I say no comment near the Eddie, but quickly no, Maminko, Namimo highlight on Enra. The president ne addressa wode ebema ye me reading the fast because here breno aswane sa I'll say 1 lockdown was lifted after careful analysis of data and science and economic consideration, including the negative effect in the informal sector. And then 2, thankful to the media and health workers. Additionally, locally made PPE supplied to the health workers. I feel the company other media nasio. Account. Number 3, also thankful to USA for the medical supplies 4. Follow strictly guidelines used by Ghana Health Service on wearing of the nose mask, nose and mouth masks. Okay. Mr. Line no so no. The studio number need that to no. Ya na wafre so 0595971540 0595971540. Thank you very much. 5. Or see, consultation with some interest group, including religious groups, saying into consensus that the restriction for public gatherings should be extended for additional 2 weeks. Okay, so 6, Ghanaians must stop the unpatriotic act of assisting foreigners into the country through unapproved route. Okay, and then 7, government has decided to embark on investment in health infrastructure this year. A total of 88 health facilities to be started and completed within a year. Okay, within a year, because we have less than we have 8 months to end the year, and within a year, no, well, be 8 months in the say 8 months, any 88, fine, and then a total of 88 health facilities to be started and completed within a year. The health facility would each be 100 bed with bungalows for health workers. Muslims in this month of Ramadan are encouraged to pray at home. And omampeni enu masema wade beto hono no eno no enti mpachomo nyina yembo modin ase yebedi enhihye ya wo mo ade ama ye so yedi so abeboa ye nyina na ye netumi stay safe enye tu no sembiala enkoye wuso wode emfa nka ho eba ne sa na ye ntumi enkoye nim ewo oman na ye wo mu no mu eye mpachodi ni mi hu ni bo Pristine is watching with us. Yes, so nyame show bibia se woni ahwe wo comment ampacho udi no ya na wachiche mama me se na bia metumi. James Malvin or say look great in those black outfits. All right, me kiri Virginia mekani e studio ana kofonya kwan asere me nyame show bibia se wonya bra wode ehwe ye ideas GTV Nsemsem Dwumadze so the bro from Monday to Friday. But mama say a very big thank you to me PM Mwamuni mi PM no yefene Matthias Mensa Kojo Freestyle Jimmy for more Western region na mo epeni eno no eba ne se wonya amanya osem so wo hye ho eba ne se 14101 no so na wo minchi mo squeeze wo so a eno so wo hye ho no bi we di juma kese pa and then nyame hira no mema ne lunch na chese wo de adwedwe na kuma nyame won hira ne bebre na bibia temi cause yankopon ya no wachi na ya be so esi nkonwa e ofi acid wan ya hia ma me wan frɛ me kra.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze idin we ya mpobwa so to desert lufes lipes na de se pem works na da eboyi manre ya
Asia nyame hira obibia.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze idin we ya mpobwa so to desert lufes lipes na de se pem works na da eboyi manre ya into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun epemi location so me wa agrek me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.